हेलो एवरीवन। तो हाय अगेन। तो चलिए हम अपना कल के लिए स्टॉक देखते हैं, ठीक है। सबसे पहले जो पहले लिस्ट में है वो है बीबीए, फॉरेन बेवरेज, ठीक है। तो देखो सब मैं तो उसके मैंने इसकी स्टडी करना सीखो। और सबसे पहली बात कि ये कोई रिकमेंडेशन नहीं है, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने प्रीमियम मेंबर्स के साथ पहले लिखने पोजीशन में रखी है, ठीक है। अब ये अपग्रेड में आ गई है, तो मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ कि कैसे एक तो फील करना चाहिए, ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले तो आपको पता ही है लॉन्ग टर्म अफेयर, क्या मंथली में, फिर वीकली देखो। वीकली में भी ब्रेकआउट दे रहा है, यहाँ से बहुत शुरू होकर बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग कैंडल है। अब डे में देखोगे तब भी इसने ब्रेकआउट के ऊपर क्लोज किया हुआ है, ठीक है। सो इट इज क्लोज अबाउट द ब्रेकआउट लाइन एंड आप वॉल्यूम इट इज ह्यूज। सो 2 million and 5 million and then 7.5 million in the suggest itself. Okay, so this is very good. And for the target, I would vote for quick for a quick target. That's for short term. That would be that, and stop loss will be this. Because so if you see how much is the SL is the share risk it is very good reward. I think it's 3%, which is good to go. Okay, so how I choose, longer time frame, the daily time frame, then the volume, and then the buy section. Okay, three things. Okay, so another one is on my list is anti-basic, and if you see the volume accumulation, okay, or if you see there's the 18 million, around 18 million that day, and then again it's more than it's more than 100 billion, I think. Okay, which is a very good accumulation, and it is coming out from the base, also sustain the breakout. Very nice setup. Okay, so don't miss it and keep this done. And the third one is Star Charge Pharma, also coming out of the base, which is Taros box. Okay, and I already marked that we are already in that. I shared in the Telegram, you can search it. So I marked from here that we will go from it to here, and this block got fed in the single day of Friday. So okay, so but we are still holding on it. And another is this LIC. See, LIC has made a rounding bottom, okay, and sustained a breakout. So for the rounding bottom, you know, at the target for the rounding bottom from the base. Okay, by not showing it. Don't know what's happening. Let's reset it. And then, yeah, that. Then, this- okay, so see, here's yes, if you ain't, it is the base. So let me put the target from here. See, okay. So, thing was a big I'm talking about. Put the target here, then we get target of 25% almost. That is 25% again. So that is that. Okay, and the stop loss always is the last candle. So got it? Hope you getting it. Not that you can ask me any question when our website will reply to every video. Okay, and we also had another entry Friday. So see, it was one was e-mudra. We took entry on 24th July at the rate at 70 Bitcoin entry PEP. The precise entry point I say to the word PEP. this side point. So our precise entry point was on the 24th July at 1:10 p.m. It's 873. Okay, so we are already on the game of 2%. So don't chase it. I'm just telling you how to choose, why we choose it. So first thing is that volume drive and at the higher level, and instead of looking good with prices, so either is perfect. Okay, and see the MACD also looking good is at RSI also super about 60. Okay, so that's it. And another one is probability. We entered on 26 July at 9:30 a.m. It did 7:51. Okay, it was our PEP, precise entry point. Okay, MACD green, the RSI also turning green. That's it. And the next one is Arctic Farm Labs, which I shared on the Telegram. Okay, you may check. So I'm expecting a quick move till of 4-5%. Okay. And the next one is rotopumps. Rotopumps again now is coming out from the base. So once it breaks this, I will enter it again. But we already have a pilot entry at the rate 675. 675 around here. Yes, around here. Okay. So we are already skip on the gains. We made entry on 24 July 11:15 a.m. Okay. So that's it. Let me know if you have any question. I will come back with another video or will answer in the group itself. Take care.